Welcome to yourcollection.com. This is a demonstration on how to set a reminder. A reminder is just simply an email that you send to yourself with your own message. It's ideally meant to be about an upcoming auction or items in an auction that you want to bid on, but it can be about anything. You can remind yourself about anything at all. But in this example, we'll do it as an upcoming auction. First thing you need to do is go to my profile. And then you must set your time zone. The reason being is that it doesn't recognize automatically, the system doesn't recognize what time zone you're in, so you must tell the system what time zone you're in, otherwise every email will come through on server time, which I believe is set to UTC time. So I've set it to Europe, London, but as you can see there's quite a few others already in the system, other parts of the world that you can set it to, and it will offset and send at your time. So if you set 2 p.m. at your time, it will come through at 2 p.m. your time, provided you've set your time zone correctly. So we've done that, and now we can go into the links, go into reminders, and we'll make up an imaginary auction house called Sell It Soon. So the reminder subject is Sell It Soon auction at 1:50 p.m. Auctioneer is Sell It Soon. The auction date and time is the 21st. Now the time, that is the time that you expect your auction to come up, your auction item. So if you expect it to come up at 1:50 p.m, which we've already assessed, then that's what you type or you set in this part. So 13:50, done. And it's up to you when you send your message. You might want it 5 minutes before, you might want it half an hour before, an hour before. So I'm going to set it for 13:45. With a message to myself, don't forget, sell it soon, auction item 100 for example, and that's it. That's a simple message. We'll just press done for that one and press set reminder. That's it, reminder added successfully. Bear in mind you can't set the scheduled message time after the auction date and time. It won't allow that, so it has to be the auction item and not the auction itself. And when you come down, you scroll down, you can see your reminder there. You can edit your reminder, you can cancel your reminder, and you get the details of it. When the email comes through, it'll come through reminder subject, auctioneer, auction date. All that information will come through in the message. And that is the demonstration. Thank you very much for watching.